2003 Ford Ranger XLT 3.0 liter two-wheel drive, 54,000 original miles. Yes, 54,000 miles. This is a like new Ranger in amazing condition. This will be one of the cleanest Rangers you're going to find for sale. Bed liner, sliding rear window, power windows, locks, mirrors, cruise. It is running, you can hear it. You'll be lucky to find a door ding on this. Brand new tires. Texas truck, rust free. You don't find these very often. This is an extended cab. Interior is like new. Cruise control, no bad buttons. AM, FM, CD, ice cold air. There's the Carfax report. Back jump seats, both of them. $54,900 miles. (2003) Ford Ranger XLT extended cab, two-wheel drive with a 3.0, with 54,900 miles in remarkable condition, rust-free.